Overview about a service desk. Not overview means topic. What are the things we are going to learn in this service desk mainly? So, what is a service desk? The first question is, what is service desk? Guys, most common question. Most common question. For everyone will get this question. What is service desk? Okay. What is service desk? What you are doing with the service desk means what is the use of service desk? Okay. Or what is the purpose of service desk? Or what is the things we do in the service desk? That is a thing. Next. So what is the cycle like how this service desk functionality is there? Okay. So what is the use of this service desk or how it is works? Next, what is ticket? So in the service desk, so very important one is ticket. What is ticketing? Next one is different type of customers. Normally, when you hear about a service desk, ticketing, may some people having an idea, then automatically people think, sir, this is a customer care. We don't want it. So this is a very cheap job. Okay, I understand. I'm telling this job is not belongs to any customer care. For example, guys, for example, I want some information. Like if I have some banking related issue, I call to the bank toll free number, right? Bank related toll free number. Bank related toll free number. So then it is like you can know what I'm trying to say is, so they will give me guidelines, information, right? So I am the person, not like me. Lot of people are using this bank services. Lot of people may get a problem, so they will call to the bank customer care. So that is a public customer. Your work is not that one. As I know, your work is not that kind of stuff. Definitely. Okay. Most of your work is dealing with customers. Those are like a client side customer type. Means organization providing a service to other organization. For example, I am taking my organization take a service from Microsoft Office 365. Not as an individual user, I have taken that service from my organization because my organization purchased the Office 365 service from Microsoft. See that one? Microsoft is organization providing a service to our organization Savantis. I'm an individual user or I'm a office user. Now I'm a belongs to Savantis. I'm getting that service through Savantis. My Office 365. I'm using this Google Docs as an individual user. I'm the public customer. I'm using Office 365. This is Office 365 I'm using from our organization license. So this is client side customer kind of stuff. Okay. So generally organizations provide services to different set of users. Most of your work is dealing with the clients. Guys, this is only service desk to understand the meaning of service desk, terminologies in service desk. Why? Because of whatever the position you are working, either it is directly a service desk, the backend technology is important. Service desk you are working, meaning is it is not always hardware and networking. Of course, we are learning about basics hardware and networking here, but still it's not about only hardware part or networking part. For example, depends upon your project. the service desk dealing is changes. For example, your project involvement is a database administration. You are working in the service desk, but managing and finding solutions, troubleshooting, and supporting in the database administration related only. Those servers, those network connections, those services, you are dealing with it. Okay. Some people are working for like a cloud related services, like EC2 deployments, storage deployments, right? So obviously, is working in a service desk. The label is service desk. The technology is different. So, like some people work for a SAP. In the 70s, we have a staff is there. Those are working in a service desk. Tool is service now tool only, but the technology is SAP-based technologies. And the terminology is also very useful, guys. Even though in the future you are change your positions, different positions, like a software engineer, network engineers, database engineers, whatever it is, the terminology is always useful. Tools also always useful. Okay, that is the point I am trying to say. So no need to worry when we say what is the service desk, customers. Okay, this kind of wording we are using just to understand only. Okay, that's the main point. Next, so we are discussing about a customers, different type of customers, internal, external, public type of customers, and we will discuss about a different type of terminologies as a secondary part, like a what is event, alert, incident, workaround, problem, changes, and service request. So these are the different type of terminologies in this service desk. Next is, if possible, I will tell about a monitoring tools. I will discuss, and also we'll discuss some names or like a what is a service desk or help desk tools or softwares like a BMC Helix, Zoho, Zira, Voice Ticket, ZLPI. Of course, today we don't get that much of time because it is around 4 o'clock. Okay, so here it is. So ITL is also there. If possible, I will also cover the ITL maybe today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow or some other day. So about the basics of ITL, because service desk is a very small part in the ITL. ITL is a very big one. Okay, but we are concentrating more on service desk. That's it is look like a very bigger. Okay, and we are not concentrating on more on the ITL. Of course, we have to learn ITL also. That's it. And this BMC Helix ITSM, there is a demo version is there. I shared a PPT to you. And as well as a video to you. See this is for a SD4 batch. I have taken a BMC Helix session. Okay, so in this one, I told like how to log into a demo version, how to create a ticket, how to see the tickets, existing ticket, how to create a priorities, what is those priorities at all. Okay, and some other information I didn't add it here, and also I have some other PPT also there. I will share this PPT also later. Okay, so this is the overview of what we are going to learn today type kind of stuff. Okay, so this is ready. So some topics, some few points are not there here, so we'll discuss that is separately uh, in another day or tomorrow kind of stuff. The basic things we should cover. Guys, what is a service desk? Service desk is a single point of contact, SPOC. What is a service desk? SPOC, single point of contact. Service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees. Meaning is, look at here, is a customer. For example, guys, I am getting some problem. This is clean. So here some organization. Simple I will tell for our understanding. The first one is okay. This is our organization. Okay, some organization is is providing internet service. For example, I'm using two internet services. One is ACT, another one is Zio in this particular area in my hometown. Okay, so for example, I have a ACT internet service provider is there. Now I'm not getting internet today. So I have a laptop. I checking. I'm not getting internet. What I have to do it? What I have to do? Contact customer care. Just call to the customer care or open the app of this website or app or a telephone number or a WhatsApp kind of stuff. So inform them I'm not getting this internet for a certain period of time. You have to inform to the organization I'm not getting the internet since morning 10 o'clock, since morning 5 o'clock. Like that I have to inform. Okay, that is the first point. And what these people will do it. So he said, okay sir, very good, you are not getting internet, no problem, we'll call you back, come back tomorrow, we are busy today. So they don't tell that kind of answer, right? So what they will tell? So first they will give a initial support, right? They'll ask some questions. So guys, this is I'm telling as an example for understanding the whole process. They'll ask, is your router is LEDs are blinking or not? Your router is power connection is there or not? Is a power LED is blinking or not? This is also useful for a network related internet related troubleshooting. Your Wi-Fi is not working, then like you are not getting internet. Basic troubleshooting also listen carefully. So there is a power LED. So I will show you that. Some router, D-Link router, something it is. Very important. Like see it is. This is Tenda or D-Link. This is D-Link. 3 LEDs are there. The first LED is okay. See it is. The first LED may be a power. Second one is Wi-Fi. Third one maybe it is not showing very clearly. If it is showing clearly, then we can get it.
So third one for LAN.
Huh?
Third one for LAN connection. LAN is
maybe LED is not clear now. So okay. So we'll see this one. Any mega size? Yeah, here it is. Mega size. This is power LED. 1, 2, 3, 4 are a LAN connection. This is internet. Somewhere it is Wi-Fi will be there. It is a very old one. This is internet LED. So D-Link, the link LED it is. Okay, depends upon router, guys. Not always same router it is. But see this LED status, whatever it is. D-Link, no internet LED, red LED problem. Means this is internet LED is red color. So we can understand. So at least see this one. Different routers, different LED status. Okay, the first one is like a power LED. Second one is represent ADSL. This is internet, Wi-Fi, 1, 2, 3, 4 LAN connections. Okay, so this is internet is not there. So the guy is asking you, so is the particular LED is blinking? The LED is not blinking, or power LED is blinking or not? Okay, or which color it is blinking? You know, I have one router that is a Tenda router. It is so only one single LED, only one single LED. It is. So this is a LAN, 4 LAN connections, WAN connectivity. Okay, so WAN connectivity LED is there or not, and internet is blinking or not, like a LAN connectivity is there or not, Wi-Fi LED is blinking or not. Okay, so they will ask some questions just for our understanding. So they'll ask a question to you, right? Whether this LED blinking or not, power LED is there or not, backside of WAN connectivity is there or not, and check this, internet LED is blinking or not, or it is showing red color or something. You are connecting with Wi-Fi, means mainly Wi-Fi LED is blinking or not. Second one is like you are connected through LAN cable, then LAN related LED is blinking on that. Okay, so this guy will ask you what kind of model, what is the model of your Wi-Fi router you are using, and based on that, what is the LED status in it. Please connect and disconnect, check the power connections, like that. So initial support is given by this person, right? And also they will create a ticket. They create a ticket also. I'm explaining this part also. They'll create a ticket. This ticket contains information about a user's issue. What is the user? About user, first of all, who is the person is giving this complaint? Person is giving the complaint. Who is the customer? What is their telephone? How to call back to them? How to contact them? Address. Address of the customer. Address of the customer. What is the issue of the customer? What is the issue? What is the customer is facing? What kind of issue is facing? What kind of issue is facing? Next one is, so what kind of issue is facing? Next one is customer is customer note. So what is customer telling some details, right? That note, urgency or a impact or a that kind of stuff, right? Customer urgency or a priority. The another word is priority, urgent, or maybe you can see later. Maybe you have to complete in 1 hour. Maybe impact is good more. Impact is more, means lot of work will be stopped. Impact is more. I'm in home. I'm watching some YouTube video. Internet is stop working. That is not very important, right? That is not a emergency situation. For example, I'm taking class now. Internet is stop working. That is very important now. Okay, so we have to prioritize the complaint, depends upon the customer current situation, right? Or maybe impact on several devices, organizational levels. Okay, so in the ticket, so we have to tell about who is the customer, where is the customer, how to contact the customer again, what is the customer issue, impact of the customer issues like urgency, priority, impact and priority. You have to table it, impact and priority of the customer related issues. Okay, different priority levels also there. impact and priority of a customer. Next, who is going to be handled? This guy is already handled the situation, right? Not handle the situation, given initial support to resolve the situation. Issue is not resolved. In initial support, issue is may not be resolved, may be resolved or may not be resolved. If it is resolved, good. May not be resolved, compulsory there is a person you have to send it. Then we have to tell to a technical team will be there. So what you will do, you'll forward this ticket to this team, particular person or a particular team will forward this ticket. So they will go to this ticket, understand customer related issues, then either they will fix from their end. Okay, sometimes I'm not getting internet, so they no need to send a person to my home, not required home visit. They will do it from their laptop or some their servers only. They will do it because several complaints, several areas, same complaint kind of stuff. So they will understand, yes, this is an issue from this our end only, not a customer premises issue. Or maybe they will go to some nearest boxes, connections, they will try to do it. Whatever it is, guys, the cycle in this last issue should be resolved. Once issue is resolved, the information is go to this service desk. Either you will send or maybe they will ask. There is a issue will be closer. Issue will be closed. Again, a customer got an issue. Contact service desk. Service desk provide initial support. Initial support. Create a ticket. Mention the customer related information, means in the ticket they will, it's nothing, ticket is nothing but a document, it contains the customer related issues. Okay, callback informations or a location of the customer, issue related information, user note, technician note, and of course issue related like a priorities, impact of the issue, it should be mentioned in that one. And status of the ticket is also important. It is created, open, closed, pending kind of status is on there in the ticket. So the ticket either it is self-assigned, means I am the service desk person, I will assign to me while I am handling the situation. I can assign to me or I will assign to others also. Depends upon the issue, depends upon the level of knowledge, like a service desk level of issue. Based on that, we will escalate to the level or a person or a team. So the team will be take care of the issues. Once issue is resolved, we have to close. And before you close, we have to note down, make sure everything is note down, what is the issue, how the issue is resolved, any pendings are there and it is required to close, then close it. And do the survey if you require. Guys, this is the life cycle.
Sir,
So
one more
again,
time explain.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, one more time explain the ticket. What is ticket?
Yeah, I will explain. Good.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, this is the customer, service desk, service provider. As I see, take an example, ACT is a internet service provider. Okay, ACT is an organization, internet service provider. Like different organizations, different service providers are there, right? So service provider provide a service to the customer. Note down that point. Okay, so it is service provider provide a service to the customer. Very simple. I want a health insurance. Then there is a Star Health provide a health insurance services. Okay. Uber cab services, Ola cab services. Okay, some service, it is a service provider. I am utilizing the service. Internet service provider. Mm, of course, Savantis also providing different services. One is the services, book my show type of service. That type of book my show kind of service also providing from the Savantis with the SAP based kind of stuff. Yeah, book my show, make way trip. What are those things? So services. They are providing a service to the customer. So like to book the movie ticket or to book the bus ticket or flight ticket, right? Indigo providing a flight services, right? So the service provider provide a service, customer access the service, right? Service provider provide a service to the customers. For example, customer required a service, customer needs some information or a query, or you want to report a service related report issue, you want to report an issue, or you want to change of services, you want a change of services. For example, I am getting a 50 Mbps internet speed. I want to increase to 100 Mbps. Change of service. For example, we have taken a Tata Sky uh, uh, Tata Sky Dish TV, and we change the address. So location we changed it. What is we will do? We'll send a request. Please change the Tata Sky Dish and all from one place to another place. New address, right? So that is another request. Okay. So they reach service desk. So customer reach service desk. The service desk take information, understand customer requirements, support a customer needs, resolve the issues, escalate the issues. To do that one, first of all, service desk interact with the customer and create a ticket. In the ticket, they will mention about the customer query or customer issue, priority of that related issues. So any priority is there that are issues, impact of that issues. Okay, customer note, customer what is the issue he is telling, what is the note in it, and assign this ticket to himself, means self assigning to the service desk person, or escalate this ticket to a particular team or a particular level of team or a particular person, it will escalate. Okay, so it depends upon customer requirements. The ticket, we tell what is the customer requirement, so the team will handle the ticket, so then the customer issue will be resolved. Once customer's issue is resolved, service desk will do the closure of the ticket. So the ticket is open when it is start troubleshooting. Once issue is completed, then it is closed. Then it's a closed ticket. Okay. And of course, there is a lot of statuses are there, like a ticket status are open ticket, closed ticket, pending, waiting for approval kind of ticket statuses also there. Okay. So once ticket is closed, so issue is got closed. So this is the cycle, guys. Again, about a ticket, only ticket. So there is a link you can see, guys. I already shared this PPT to you. It means you can go to this link, okay, and try here. Then you will find a lot of information about a incident, problem, ticket, service request kind of stuff also. It is from direct BMC remedy. Why it is showing like this? There's something I have done mistake. I think I mix it to mixed kind of stuff I have done. This is the correct one. Yeah, you can go to this. Do not copy this one. So something mixed is happen. So if you click on this link, you can find service desk tips explained. This is the copy link. You can try this one. This is the original one. I don't know why I'm mixing kind of stuff. So this is the link. So bottom one is original link. Why this is. Yeah, BMC remedy practical link also I mentioned there. That's why it is showing like that. Guys, what is the ticket? Here it is. I have taken information from here. What is the ticket? And also it is about incident, problem, and service request is also there. Compulsory read it, guys. So lot of information is there. What is a ticket? So T means ticket. It is all service events starts with the ticket. All service events start with ticket. A customer is asking a request or reporting an issues. Immediately the service desk person will create a ticket. A ticket is a historical document that details a service event, such as event, such as a incident, problem, or a service request. Means in the ticket we have to mention is a incident type of ticket, it is a service request related ticket, or it is a problem related ticket. The ticket governs the control of how the service event is proceeded. There are used to route events between different resources for a resolution, not solution also. They record all the relevant information about a request, including user note. Yeah. Okay. User note, technical notes means user, what are the user information, user told I am getting this kind of issues. So that is user note. Technician, what is the person is observation from the issue. So technication notes. Workflow information for how ticket has handled. Ticket resolution. Other critical processing information. So whatever it is. So ticket can document as a single incident or a service request. Ticket can be document. See, it is all belongs to this paragraph kind of column. Okay, but it is not a we don't touch anything. It will damage, then it is not good. So ticket can document a single incident or a service request. Means in the ticket, it is telling about a incident or a service request is there, or it is about an issue or a request from a client or a customer. They can also group together, control, document several incidents as a single problem. The ticket is a backbone of your service desk. It is used in every single service item that hits the service desk. So guys, 2-3 points are there. One is whatever the last point you can see, it is used for every single service item that hits the service desk. That is the main point. Okay, so whatever the issue is reported at service desk, a ticket will be created. A ticket will be created. Okay, and it is a historical document. What is happened? What is happened? What is customer requirement? Customer raised an issue. This incident is occur means he raised an issue. Are he required to change something? He required some services, required some information. That information available in the ticket only about the customer and who handle that situation, who handle the situation, how issue is resolved, how issue is resolved. That information also available in the ticket only. Okay, so those things I'm trying to tell. Very simple way. Ticket is a simply a document, guys. In the ticket, it contains information like why we are worrying about the ticket. So I'm going to BMC Helix. So if it is shows something ticket picture, not this is the number of tickets. If you open the ticket, it contains the information. See, this is the ticket part. So this is the very old BMC remedy ticket contents. Okay, it is not visible properly. BMC Helix. This is the BMC Helix YouTube link to how to know what is a click and all kind of stuff. Don't worry. I have a fear like if I open more tabs. So small is required, guys. This is sent. So look at here. This is my BMC Helix ITSM demo video. It is. I given a links here. So go through the links. Okay, I'm giving a links here also. This is a link. Try this link. Okay, second part is starting one. Okay, so try to log in here. Once you are login, you can see existing tickets. Try to read the existing tickets and try to create a incident report. So here I am trying to create a incident. Means I'm trying to create a ticket. Customer, company means your company is providing services to different companies, right? So like this. So customer name and which company it is belongs to, how to contact that customer. Incident templates, you have a predefined incident templates are there, you can do it. Impact, urgency, status is a new ticket or existing one, like that. Already open status. Okay, it is a summary. Okay, so it is a summary. This is incident type, affected assets. So some declaration kind of stuff is also there. Okay. Okay. So I have created a ticket. So actually I'm searching for a templates. See, I put a customer name. So external portal something. So impact, status, priority, summary means what is the exact what it is happened. Okay, power on LED blinks, no display on the screen. That is a description I have given. Okay, so these are the things I have mentioned here in the ticket. So I assigned to myself only, okay, because I don't know who is another person to handle. This is because it's a demo session, guys. You can create a number of tickets. You can do whatever you want it. You can do it. Okay, so you can save the ticket once it is completed this one. The point is, okay, the point is, what is the ticket? What is the use of creating this ticket? To define what is the customer issue and which who is this customer, how to contact the customer back, right? How to contact the customer, which organization, which place, location of the customer, what is the customer issue it is it a incident report or a service request it is, okay, um, like what is the workflow of that solving that issues, how do you solve the issues, what is the observations, status, urgence, impact of the issue. So will be mentioned in the ticket. So that is what I am trying to say is, again guys, what is a service desk? Again, service provider provides service to the customer. The customer can be a individual user, customer can be a individual person, like I'm an individual person, I'm the customer of ACT or Geo or Airtel. I'm the customer. Okay, I'm an individual person. That is like a external customers or a public customers. Who is a customer? Customer is a person who buys a goods or a service from the shop or a business. Is a customer. This is just a definition, just a meaning. Google meaning. This is my meaning. Customer is any person uses or buys a service from an organization. There is a service provider and there is a customer. The customer can be like this. Depends upon organization, guys. Sometimes that customer is an organization. This customer is not an individual person. Customer is now an organization. For example, Savant is a service provider to some other organization. For example, Savantis Solutions India Private Limited. Yeah, what is a Zumba crop? So name is different. This is correct one. Okay, Savantis Solutions, Visions, Contacts. That is the contact directly. This is Savantis. So we can find what are the solutions we are providing, what are the other thing kind of stuff, industries we are supporting, okay, and who is our customers, regular main customer base also. So it is our customers. Savantis is an organization. See, Del Monte is not a one individual user, right? It's an organization. Maryfield, some organization. Sports basement. Even I don't know that one. So it is. Maybe I have seen this one. YSA Soft, Southco. Okay. So same repeating, but whatever it is, guys. So some of the customer list here. Okay. Yeah. Again, they change the address. Now it is DE, not New Jersey. New Jersey to PA, Exton. Now DE. So where is this location? Delaware is a Maratha place. Vare. So Tuesday humidity area code major. But I didn't get any details. But it is not a state, right? State. New York. Washington. This is Washington, New York, and this is in middle. Whatever it is. Guys, that is a you can go to different companies. Go to Tata, go to CTS, go to HCL, go to Microsoft. So find out their customers. Okay. So customer is not an individual person, is an organization. So service provider provide a service to the customer. Okay, service provider provide to the customer. This time it is not a individual person, it is an organization. It is an organization like this. Service provider is a Microsoft providing a service called Office 365 to 70s. So obviously our 70s is a external customer, or we can call it as a client. Next one is, guys, sometimes the customer is not outsider. Customer is within your organization only. For example, I went to our office. Okay, I went to our office and I need to access a printer. I went to our office and I'm asking, I want to access the printer. So I reach my service desk and raise service request. I want to access the printer. Okay, I want to access the printer. So who am I? I'm working in the same organization. Who is supporting me? Same organization. Okay, so this is called a internal customer. This is called a internal customer. So here it is. Internal customer means your service desk, your customer, or a user, or belongs to same organization only. Both customer and service desk person belongs to the same organization. For example, I am required to connect Wi-Fi, unable to connect it to the Wi-Fi network. I reach the service desk for a support. Life cycle, the entire cycle is same only. I ask a service desk, I am unable to connect Wi-Fi. Service desk person create a ticket and write down that entire issues. Either they will assign their self and resolve, or maybe they will send to a team. The team will support and solve my issues, either come to my location or maybe from their location. Once issue is resolved, service desk close the ticket. This is internal customer. Again, what is external customer, guys? Service provider provides service to another organization. Okay, so any issues occur at this organization, so they will contact a service desk in that service providers, right? They will contact service providers service desk. Okay, as a no, I'm not telling this is it. As a no, your organization where you are working, so where you are going to work, like a HCL. Okay, as I know, your organization providing a different type of set of services to other organizations. Majorly, HCL is well known for a network related solutions. For a banking and other organizations also, HCL is a majorly providing network related solutions. Okay, IT companies, non-IT companies. So HCL is a major service provider for a network based solutions. Okay, mostly you have to dealing with other organizations related issues, not internal, not a public, external client. Okay, it's a external is a public customer, means this public customer. So three type: internal, external. In external, it's a public type. It's a person took a service, like I am taking an internet service. I have taken AWS service on my own. I'm using a Google Docs. I'm using YouTube.com. I'm using Gmail.com as an individual user, not as an organization. Not as a organization. I have taken a Netflix. I have taken Amazon Prime. I'm an individual person. I'm an external service provider providing a service. I'm accessing the service. If I have an issues, I will contact service desk. Service desk is trying to support me to resolve my issues. Okay. Last point I will tell guys. Before that one, I'm going to the first point. Guys, understand up to here what is the customer, how to reach the, what is the service desk point of view, what is ticket.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here again service desk. Same point only. Okay. Service desk is intended to provide single point of contact to meet communication needs of both user and IT employees. Service desk provide a initial support to the customer. So initially a customer, whether it is internal customer, external customer, or maybe a public customer, service desk is provided initial support. What is the customer related issues? What is the customer related issues? How it will be resolved? By doing something or asking some questions to understand exactly customer related issues or customer requirements. Understand customer issues or a requirement. Understand customer issues or a requirement. What is customer require? Provide information to the customer. So information like a customer is required. I requested my service provider, internet service provider. I want 100 Mbps internet. The guy told, if you want 100 Mbps, you have to change your router first. Okay, like you provide information to the customer. Or this is the condition to do this one, right? Provide information to the customers. Escalating the issues occur, you don't know how to resolve it, or maybe not in your level, not in your expectation in that one. So you can escalate the issue to the proper team, so then they will handle the issues to resolve it. Okay, so for example, I have a requirement, some electrical complaint is there, or some bike repairing is there. So I brought to a person, the repairing person. So the technician, he don't know how to resolve it. So what he said, sir, take it into the my senior, so he will solve your problem. I cannot understand what is this issue, so I don't want to touch it. I will go to next level. That is escalation. If you touch it without knowing any knowledge and you try with a try and error, further damage will occur, right? So escalate the issues if it is not in your level. Go to escalate to level 2, escalate to level 3, depends upon the issues. Managing the ticket. create a ticket whenever your customer is contacted you. Immediately start creating ticket. Mention the details in the ticket. Raise the ticket means escalate the ticket to the particular team. Monitor the ticket status. So ticket is created. Is the ticket is open or not? A ticket is in progress. Is a open ticket or a closed one? If closed ticket is closed, then is a finally customer is issue is resolved or just it is closed, just wantedly closed. Or do the survey if in case the customer is satisfied, then do the customer satisfaction service, like kind of stuff, right? So satisfy service desk is for a satisfy both customer needs the service. So customer is getting the service. So make sure the customer will get satisfied with your service approach. And IT provider, IT service provider objects. You are providing a service. So is it reaching to the customer or not? Is it reaching to the customer or not? So that is satisfy both customer needs and IT provider objects. Okay, these are the service desk. And also in a service desk, we are dealing with a certain terminologies, guys. Events, alerts, incidents, problem changes, change of services or a service request kind of stuff, monitoring of UC, service level agreement, operational level agreement, underpinning contract. These are the terminologies also we have to know and we have to deal with it. Okay, this is what is a service desk, and in a service provider provide a service to the customer. If customer is required an information or to report an issue or change of services, he will reach the service desk. Service desk should understand customer requirement, customer issues, create a ticket, and put the information in the ticket. So then escalate the ticket to the team, so team will be handle the customer related issues. Provide initial support, of course. Try to resolve the customer issues. Okay, once issue is resolved, so close the ticket. Okay, that is the point of ticket. Again, ticket already I told some information. I'm going next. Different type of customers I told: internal, external, and public type of customers. Internal customers and service desk means service customer, both are in the same organizations. When we require some from our organization related issues like your system is not working, your internet is not working, mail communication is not working, so you will complain to your own service desk. So that is a internal customer kind of stuff. External customers is other organization. Okay, you are a service provider providing services to other organizations. So that organization is our customer now. It is external customer. Public customer means any individual user took a service from an organization. So that is a public customers. Last one, guys, in this one. So how to reach the service desk? Okay, that is also important. Now, a few days back, 3-4 days back only, my sister got some issue, right? In Amazon, what is happened? There is an item. There is some stool kind of stuff, step stool kind of stuff. She ordered that one. So what happened? In a app, it is showing delivered, but she's not getting any status kind of stuff. It is out for delivery report, delivery billing. Nothing is occur. She is not understand what happened. Already 15 days, around 15 days, 10 days crossed, 15 days is happened. So nothing is delivered till now. I told her then go to this service desk related is there. So in the app we can see 3 lines. You can click on those 3 lines, then scroll up. You can get the service, talk to service related kind of stuff, service person. She will click it and directly she received a clock. One second, guys. Someone sending a message to me. Okay, I don't understand. Okay, guys, I don't know anything about documents. You have to talk to Ruxana madam or Ravan sir, who is the person. Contact your contact person, Prakash sir or something. Okay, I'm not. I don't know about interviews, test and all. I'm a only trainer. Okay, so we'll go to the app and there we'll contact. So then we got a phone and problem is resolved. Okay. So, when I got an issue in my organization, because I'm internal customer to in my organization, I'll go approach directly. I'll go to the guy I know, the who is in the service desk. I will go directly and ask, this is the problem I'm getting. So he will resolve it directly. Telephone, mobile phone, like a, so telephone it is, telephone we can call to get some issues. Generally, like I got a problem with Axis Bank. I call to the customer care with the telephone only. I have got some issues with some insurance company. I have to keep sending mails by mentioning each and every issues, one by one, two, three, four issues. I have this one. I keep sending a mails. Then I'm getting resolved from the email kind of stuff. Apps, websites, self-help softwares, self-help portals. Okay, certain softwares like a BMC, Helix, ServiceNow, Zoho, ZLPI kind of softwares to help you to contact to the service desk and service desk within the service desk kind of stuff. Okay, so monitoring tools, different monitoring tools we are using to get a complaint. I will try to show you one thing that is called my internet service. Not what I would. Uh, One second, I will go to my, where is this app in my mobile, then I will check it once. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is my internet service provider. Okay, so I have to disconnect it. So of course. Okay, I'm trying to connect it. So why it is not showing? Username password wrong. What happened? I think it is. No, I didn't change my username password, right? So November 10, up to November 10, it is there. But why? Where is this password kind of stuff? Only it's a simple password. Something is problem. So sorry, I can't able to show you that one. But see, guys, it is what I have done. I went to log into that portal. Okay, and I will give directly the complaint. So I raise the ticket. So our internet is not working. So they'll see and follow up and resolve. So this is about your basics of service desk. what is service desk, what is the use of service desk, what is the ticket, who is the customers, different type of customer, how to approach the service desk. And few more points are there, what is priority, impact kind of stuff that we will discuss separately. Guys, understand up to here or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so take a break, guys. Take a 10 to 15 minutes of break. Come back in a 5:10. Okay. So totally 15 minutes break. Come back in 5:10. So I'll stop recording first.